Hi, I'm Dane McDonald, Network Solutions Product Manager with Werner Electric Supply. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Panduit Network Zone Enclosure. Panduit's network zone systems are designed to help you easily deploy an Ethernet IP network across your plant floor. With multiple configured options, customers are able to easily balance costs versus needs to get a solution that meets their networking requirements while still fitting into their budget. The network zone system switches, connectivity, and power features minimize your engineering and installation time. This can result in up to a 75% faster implementation time. Features such as built-in shielded or unshielded patching, cable management, and cable routing ensure proper cabling practices are followed. Single or redundant power supplies, along with the option to add a UPS, help minimize the risk of equipment failure as well as avoid downtime during short power outages caused by rebooting switches. An isolation barrier which segregates higher line voltage from lower voltage switches allows for increased safety. Panduit offers 3 enclosure sizes as well as stainless steel options to help meet many of your environmental needs out on the plant floor. With Panduit's network zone systems, you incorporate Panduit's best practices in connectivity, cable management, wiring, and grounding, helping you to increase and ensure your network reliability. If you'd like to learn more about Panduit's network zone systems or interested to find out how the Werner Network Solutions team can assist you with any of your networking needs, please reach out to one of your Werner Electric sales representatives.